Okay, today we're doing an open house and nature trail. You can see this nice circular driveway. Semi-custom home, garage on the right, nice entryway, and a nice two-car garage on the left side. So let's go ahead and take a look at the house. We'll be doing open house here all day from 10 o'clock till 6 o'clock tonight. Hope somebody comes by and visits. But as you enter the house, you have a nice office space, or it could be a living room on the right. The garage door is over there. That's the one-car garage. It could be set up as a media room. There's an option to do that. You can see the nice entryway into the family room. And then over to the left, as you enter, is a really nice dining room. Coffer ceilings, which give it a high custom look. Elegant. And let's see, we got a nice wood floors as you walk through into our great room. Master bedroom to the right, TV, covered back porch, and it opens great room into a nice kitchen. Okay, let's take a look at the wow factor. A lot of people coming into this new home, they go into the master bedroom and immediately say, wow, this is an amazing master bedroom. Raised ceilings. And then there's a master retreat in the back, which can be set up again as an office or just a place to sit and have your coffee in the morning. Very nice. Okay, after that wow, you go into the master bedroom, and again, you're like, oh my God, wow, this is a amazing master bath. Okay, so nice tub, tile, huge shower with tile borders inside. You have a his and hers sink. And then as you walk to the right, you have a huge walk-in closet. Plenty of room in there. Okay, let's see real fast what the rest of the house looks like. Again, as you walk out of the master, you're into the great room. Good view of the kitchen. You can see in the backyard, there's a really nice covered porch, good size. Take a look at the nice island, all granite, upgraded fixtures, upgraded refrigerator, nice gas, range top there. There's this plan, you can have 4 or 5 bedrooms. You can see they're all good sizes. This bedroom has its own bathroom. And then walking down the hallway to the 2-car garage, you also have this massive utility room with your washer and dryer. Has a very large island in it. This is an option available. Upgraded cabinets and granite countertops. You can see there's also the option to put coat hangers as you walk in from the garage. Going back into the kitchen, oh, you have your little pantry right here. So back into the kitchen. There is a bathroom, third bathroom, which goes to the backyard covered porch. Makes it nice in case you do have a pool in the backyard. You can come through the bathroom and dry off. The other two bedrooms, very nicely done, good size. Certainly makes it easy for the children to enjoy. Okay, so this is a very nice home in Nature Trail. Come by and visit me. I'm here all the time. Today I'm here from 10 to 6. Feel free to give me a call, 850-466-6920, or go to the website www.findhomesinpensacola.com. That's FINDHOMESINPENSACOLA.com. Thank you for watching this video. And if you like this home or you're looking for any new homes, give me a call, send me an email, ask me how I can save you thousands of dollars when you buy a new home. Thanks.